Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. So we are starting our journey. We are starting our, make sure that window's clear back there. Just a little bit. Okay, so we're starting our journey of van camping. Let's go ahead and put our seatbelt on. I can talk while I'm driving because I am hands-free. One of the things I want to talk to you guys about is safety. Okay, from me. Everybody that does things, they have their own way of doing it, right? For those of you who don't know, I do suffer with really bad headaches. I'm a wig wearer usually, but sometimes my head hurts so bad I cannot wear them. So I wear these, which sometimes they make my head hurt, but I mean, what you gonna do? So my hair is braided down and I have my turban on. It is very loose because I have a very bad headache. So anyway, it was a mosquito I killed. Don't want them in here. Anyway guys, so the first place we're headed is to go get gas. I have two cars parked right here, so I literally have to pull out to look. Today is definitely not going the way that I would like it to. That noise means that my blood sugar is high. But when I checked it, it is high to the point that it's not even registering a number. The only thing I've had to eat today really was bagels. So I don't know why I am so high, but I definitely have to deal with it. So I've stopped to take some insulin. I do have to go to the bathroom, which means that today I'm probably gonna have one of those days. Y'all cannot see with those things on. I'm at Walmart. I'm finna run in here and go to the bathroom and then get me a smart water. I had to take a minute and try to handle my business. My head is killing me. I was going to go into the Walmart and look for me a backpack and a few other things, but I went in there and I got a buggy. I always get one, whether I need it or not. And then I went and I went to the bathroom, so I parked my buggy outside of the bathroom. I come out and it looks like my buggy's moved. So when I go to get the buggy, the cashier says, no, that's somebody else's buggy. And I'm like, well, I literally just parked one right here. And she's like, another lady says, oh, I'm sorry, I just put that one back. And I'm like, well, so she let her take my buggy, but she gatekeeping the other lady buggy. And I don't know, that just made me feel away. So I said, I'll take my money somewhere else. So yeah, I need some water. I got water, but I don't have cold water. I don't know why I didn't think of that. I mean, I do have this little refrigerator, and I was just so happy about my refrigerator, but now it's like, baby, you small. I can't put nothing in here but insulin. Maybe that's what it's for. So I'm gonna get my insulin, and I do have a Sprite in here. I guess I'll just drink one, although I don't need it. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and handle my medical business. So I'm here in the back of the truck sitting. I'm taking insulin. I'm just trying to chill out for a moment. Let me lock the car doors. Although, because the car is running, it will run 20 minutes. before it cuts off automatically. But my concern is safety. I'm at the back part of the store. I'm still at the Walmart, just because I want to try to give my head an opportunity to calm itself. So while I'm sitting here, I'm moving things around, kind of getting things where they make sense to be. I don't need the solar because I can't use it. I'm going to take my blanket out of here, out of my bag with my clothes, and just throw that back here. My air mattress is also back there, so all of that will be together when it's time to go to sleep. I have a charger here. I guess I can hook that up in this vehicle somewhere. I have this because I do have, I did take insulin, so I need to dispose of the needle. These are Travel Sharps containers. So you just put it in there. Then you close it up. When you have it full and you don't need to go back in it, you lock it with that. So let's go ahead and put that in there. In the meantime, I'll put it right here so I can see it. I'm gonna put these wipes up here as well in my thing up here that my sleep clothes are also about to go in.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, so we are at Buc-ee's. Like I said, I was coming here. I'm gonna chill here for a minute and then probably end up sleeping at Cracker Barrel. I stopped and got me some fries. Now, one of the things that I wanted to do while I was out, because I've never seen anybody do a YouTube video about it, and I'm not the cooking type. I see a lot of people, they go out, they cook and whatever. I'm the ordering type. You know, I don't eat the best. I am working on that. I wanted to order me some DoorDash. I may do it once I get to Cracker Barrel. I think I got an hour to go to get there. I got me some ice. I'm gonna get some water from the back. And chill out. So guys, I've only been to a Buc-ee's once before this, and actually it was coming down 75, and it was actually this one. The thing about Buc-ee's, it is for people who live the lifestyle, this lifestyle. It's a Texas based company that is now just making its move. And so I'm out here. I see ice over there, which I really don't need any. I don't even have a ice chest to put it in anyway, so that's that. But for those of you who haven't been to a Buc-ee's, it's really a great place. It's huge. It's a huge gas station, and it's got like 200 gas stations. And the thing about it is, it's like, I was like, who the hell needs all of that? But do you see, it is so busy here. Like, I don't want to really put anybody on my camera per se, but if you just look over there, like, it is moving and grooving. And it's just like people 10 at a time walking in and out, in and out, in and out. Like, it's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. And if you guys ever get the opportunity, just go check it out. Really, it's just an experience.
So we are, oh, let me lock the door.
So I'm entering the store now. There is so much to be seen. It's almost overwhelming. If you don't have an agenda going in here, it's like, I mean, you're just in here. I did go in to not only pay attention to the store for the first time, because the last time I went in, I literally went to the front and just left. But I also had to use the bathroom. Now, I'm going to, next time I go back, get me a Buc-ee's cup and start collecting them. I thought that one was adorable. The one, oh my God, I loved that one. But that's like a $50 cup. And just wasn't viable for me on that day. I'm gonna need me one of those too. It is so much to see in the store, and everything is so on task and on point when it comes to being not only about Buc-ee's but about Texas. I was looking for the bathroom as I was walking to the back. And honey, I didn't think at first I was going to find it. Now, this is the first time I saw the foods that they had. Like I said, the last time I came to the store, I didn't come this far back. I have got to try this, the sandwiches. Someone told me, even after leaving here on this day, you know, that they were amazing. So I'm going to have to try them out. But I was headed into the bathroom here, and honey, I had to go. I have never seen a bathroom look like this. Like, look at the decorations. Look at all of that. I mean, just amazing. And this is the first time I've seen a bathroom that big. Oh, wow. Look at that. first gas station I've ever seen that needed carts and that allowed dogs. We're gonna have to try their barbecue one day, but not today. Ooh, that's a good looking sandwich though. It is so much stuff to see here. It's almost overwhelming. Really need to get a water. So we're about to start putting up our window covers. It is dark and I'm not at the Cracker Barrel yet. I'm here at Buc-ee's, and I'm wondering if they allow you to sleep here. I may stay here because I have a bathroom. At Cracker Barrel I won't. So I'm gonna figure that out. But in the meantime, I'm gonna figure out these doggone window covers, because what the hell is this cover and how do we put it up? Hey guys, so I needed to put up a video on my main channel. I've done that, and I am here a little frustrated because I have 3 sets of window covers and I don't know how to work none of them. Like, they are not working, and it's I don't know. So I'm really out in the open. Like, I have these right here, which is really kind of shades, but I mean, they should still work for, you know, what we're trying to do. And I can't figure it out. I can't figure out how to get that one to stay. I thought it was just supposed to pop in place. It's not fitting right. This one right here, see, I know the reflection side goes out, but it's like, how are they supposed to stay there? Then I purchased the kind that has the see, now it won't stay at all. I have the ones that have the have magnets in them, and it's like, what the hell are they supposed to stick to? So I'm just really like out here bugging because I don't know what to do. I'm a little frustrated, so I'm just gonna woosah for a second, and then we're gonna get this thing figured out. But that's what I'm see, wide open. It has these suction things, but it's like, what? How do they work? Oh wait, I think I figured it out. I think I figured something out. So, let me get back with you. Dress yourself in one of the expressive t-shirts from Kush Online. Over 109 styles and 18 colors. Kush takes the stress out of getting dressed. Hey guys. I have hunkered down. I had an epic fail when it came to the covers. So I'm really bootlegging that. But I do have this, for the most part, covered. Just cracks on each window. Except these. I have the screens over these windows. But, I mean, I really don't like the idea of having to get out and cover the windows. I mean, it really takes the stealth away from stealthing, especially with me sitting here. And put some light on me. With me sitting here and I'm not in a stealth location. I stayed at the Buc-ees. It's nice and quiet, but there is traffic, so I don't want to be anywhere necessarily by myself because anything can happen. And, you know, I'm going to need to get in and out if I have to go to the bathroom. So I want to be somewhere where I feel like with people, all kinds of different people moving about, it just makes it better that I don't have to, that I'm not so by myself. So that's that on that. So I'm gonna have to work on the issue with the windows, either making my own covers. I guess now I know why people do that. Because I want to have something so I can just put them up, and that's that. These windows, these small windows back here in the back of the truck, I didn't even have anything really to use. So, yeah. But that's just that. I'm still using my 25% of power from my first power station. My second one is up there. My laptop is up there. I did have to do a video. I did the video and I put it up. I don't know what those kids put on that thing up there. Looks like soda spilled. Like they, well, I'll work on that. But anyway, the only thing that I have not done or have not used is obviously the cargo carrier above, which I don't plan to use that. I don't think I'll need it. And then I haven't set up my bed, which is the air mattress. I really feel like it's gonna be too big. Right now, the truck is running up there. Usually it'll cut off after a while, which it hasn't. I tried to use the key to cut it off and it didn't go off. So I'll probably just push the button in a minute after I get this bed situation done. The covers that I got for the windows, the little pieces that go here, I don't know where they are. So that's that on that. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and try to set this bed up, and when I'm hunkered down in the bed, I will come back online, or should I say come back to the video and let you guys know what's shaking. Well, guys, I was able to get some air into my bed. I was putting it in using the bigger piece, so I lost a lot, but I was able to get it in there and get to bed. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened to that footage, so here we are. What you're seeing here is me at 8 in the morning getting up and getting ready to head back home. Um, it was a learning experience this first time. So hopefully the next time I'll have everything squared away and won't have as many issues. Thanks guys for watching. The best is yet to come.